Hello and welcome back to the official Cricket Carts YouTube. I'm Noah, and today we'll be going over how to collapse and expand your ESV. Begin by lifting up on the center pin and turning clockwise to unlock the center bar. Place your foot on the front bar, apply downward pressure, and push forward firmly to collapse. Pull up and turn counterclockwise to re-engage the center pin. Fold out the storage rack. Then loosen the two thumb screws below the seat back. Once loosened, it'll slide right out. Push firmly on the upper shroud until the handlebars meet the seat. Your ESV is now collapsed and ready for transport or storage. And now, here's how to expand your Cricket ESV. Firmly grasp the front shroud and pull until upright. Be sure not to pull the handlebars. Grab the seat back and line it up with the two holes behind the bench. Now flip open the back rack to access the thumb screws. Then just tighten them down. After that, pull up on the center pin and turn clockwise to disengage. Apply downward pressure to the front bar, then grasp the shroud and pull forward firmly. Next, re-engage the center pin. Now your ESV is ready to drive. To learn more or to find a Cricket Cart dealer near you, check us out at cricketcarts.com. Like and subscribe, and thanks for stopping by.